Morning, everyone. Monday morning. Time to get the party started. So this was a really simple scalp here. It was a short scalp, and you can see I've got a very clear trend line. Right, I've got a breakdown here. I've got a top good X sell approaching alert. I've got OBV looking weak. So that was kind of my basis for this trade, and I believe that 3-minute OBV was looking pretty weak as well. So anyway, all I did was shorted. So I was kind of waiting for a rejection here because it did kind of try to peak above here, but it was still below the EMAs. So maybe I could adjust this slightly, but anyway, so I kept it down here. And I was just waiting for rejection. So finally we got a few rejections below and I entered here because I was still just kind of being cautious because it was consolidating right here and it had tried to retest this. Okay, and try to break above because sometimes you'll see little fake outs and it'll just break above and then go boom and just take off to new highs. But so I was being cautious. But the key here was I noticed Bitcoin was breaking down. Okay, so Bitcoin actually had started breaking down and it already dropped, $300 while Tesla was still holding its ground. So I was like, okay, maybe, just maybe, the Tesla's a little delayed here and it's lagging. So I took about a medium-sized position. I never got to add or anything. It went too fast. Sorry, I was just deleting that. But yeah, I mean, so this ended up being a really quick trade. I just closed. I closed at 195 actually. So I closed pretty close to the bottom. I didn't even realize because I hadn't looked since I closed. But yeah, 3 minutes, a quick, a 0.5% on the position. So a decent profit and really quick, just a nice simple trend line break strategy. And technically I've got this breakdown, consolidation, and further breakdown. So really, if I wanted to, I could have waited for that perfect confirmation here of that extra breakdown. But at this point, I had seen really low buy volume here and I saw higher sell volume come in. So I basically just wanted to see price go immediately down. I didn't want to see it go up at all. If it would have gone green at all here and even got peaked above my EMAs, I would have closed for a small loss. And then I just closed when momentum stalled. My overall target for this is usually, which of course just hit, is usually down here at the inception of that trend line. But again, a nice quick trade. I missed out on 0.2% to make sure I could capitalize because in these choppy conditions, holding shorts has been kind of hard. Shorts have not been that straightforward all the time. So for me personally, I wanted to just lock in some profit on that and just not risk some choppy whiplash stuff or having it go back to my entry or something. So anyway, you guys, simple strategy for this one, simple confirmation, and hope you enjoyed. Peace.